Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today I brought a very special recipe, and this is like made up of cabbage and potato, and you're absolutely going to love this recipe. And especially if you're a vegetarian, you are really going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's just know how this tasty dish is get cooked. So first of all, I've taken a cabbage. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, or with the help of a knife. Just cut it into half, and you can cut it roughly, whatever you want to cut it with, whatever you like style you want to cut it with. And once you have cut all this cabbage, then just wash it properly by putting it into a basket, and then we will move towards the next process. So you can see I'm cutting the cabbage. Half done, half is ready to be cut. While I'm cutting this cabbage, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated on my latest videos on the first go. So I've taken a pan, I've added oil into it. With that, I'm adding mustard seed, about 1 1/4 teaspoon. And with that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and some Nigella seeds, 1/4 teaspoon. And also I'm adding few curry leaves, and then we're going to mix all this and let it get fried or crackled. Now I'm going to add some potatoes into it. I've taken 2 potatoes and I've cut it into smaller cubes after peeling it off, and I've washed it quite well, and we're going to fry it for 2 minutes. And after that, we will move towards the next part. As far as I'm using a non-stick pan, that's why I'm using a wooden spoon onto it. If I'm going to use a metallic spoon onto a non-stick pan, that will destroy its non-stickness. With that, I've added 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as well. You can add salt according to your taste, and it's up to you. Some people like to add more salt, some people like to add less salt. It's really up to you. So I'm going to mix it again with the help of a wooden spoon, and after that I'm going to cover it up. Mix it again so that it does not stick to the pan, and let's check whether it's tender or not. Once it's tender, then we're going to add green chilies. I've taken 2 green chilies and I've chopped it properly, and then we're going to mix it again. With that, we're going to add some of the cabbage which we have cut before and washed properly. So once you're going to add the cabbage, then again you're going to mix it unless until the cabbage is tender as well. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can increase or decrease the amount of chili, because some people like to eat more spicy things and some less, so it's up to you. And also for the salt, I've added salt as well. Now we're going to stir it, and then do not cover it. This is like really important. Just stir it, and we're going to stir it for like few minutes unless it's tender and crispy. So once it turns out to be tender and crisp, then we're going to add some coriander leaves which I have taken before, and then we're going to mix it quite well with this thing. Now this recipe is about to be done, and then we can take it out into a presentable plate, but it's gonna take a few minutes, and it's up to you whether you like it tender, soft, or whether you like it crispy, tender. It's up to you, whatever you want to do it. If you like like tender, soft, then you can let it cook for more minutes, but I like it crisp, tender, so I just take it off. Before that, it turns out to be soft tender. So I've taken it out into a presentable plate, and now I'm going to serve it in front of the guests, and your guests are absolutely going to love it. You can also eat it with naan, tortilla wrap, or roti or paratha, or whatever you want to eat it with. And you can also serve some raita sauce with it. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel. And once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And if you have any query related to any videos, just comment down under that video, and I would be really happy to answer you. So till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.